Hey guys, this is Fundom on Phakade. Tonight on Imbewu, Sebenzile lies to Phakade about the money of the church. She said to Phakade he put the money on bank, but he knows that Nkululeko take the money of church. And Sebenzile come with a plan. She wants to open another church account for donation and tell Nkululeko she will get him his money. Zakithi and Zetulele celebrate their progress with the Rwandans, and Nkululeko declares the war. Do you think Sebenzile will work the plan of making a church donation? Please leave your comment below. Don't forget to like, and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.